Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. There is one quality that can quietly destroy a person without them even realizing it. It doesn't always look obvious. It doesn't always look aggressive. Sometimes it even hides behind confidence. But deep down, it changes how you see people, how you see yourself, and even how you see the truth. That quality is pride. And the Prophet ﷺ warned about it in a very serious way. In Sahihul Muslim, Hadith number 91, the Prophet ﷺ said, no one who has even an atom's weight of pride in his heart will enter paradise. That is a strong statement. So the companion asked, what if someone likes to wear nice clothes and good shoes? And the Prophet ﷺ replied, Allah is beautiful and loves beauty. Pride is rejecting the truth and looking down on the people. This explains everything. Pride is not about looking good. It is not about dressing well. It is not about having confidence. Pride is something deeper. It shows up in two ways: rejecting the truth and looking down on people. That means when you refuse to accept you are wrong, when your ego cannot handle correction, when you think you are better than the others, that is where pride begins. And the scary part is, it doesn't always feel like pride. Sometimes it feels like I am just right. I know better. They don't understand. But inside, it is the ego refusing to humble itself. All of us have moments of the pride. When someone corrects us and we feel uncomfortable. When someone else succeeds and we feel a little irritated. When we see someone struggling and we quietly think we are better. These are small moments. But if they are not checked, they grow, and over time they change your character. You become less open, less humble, less willing to learn, and slowly your heart becomes harder. The most dangerous part of the pride is that it blocks guidance. Because when a person is proud, they don't accept truth. They don't accept truth easily, even if it is a clear, even if it is a beneficial, even if it is a from Allah. And that exactly what happened with Shaitan. He didn't reject Allah. He rejected obedience because of the pride. He thought I am better. And that one thought destroyed everything. Now, this is important. Islam doesn't teach you to be weak. You can be confident. You can be successful. You can carry yourself well. But confidence is different from pride. Confidence is knowing your worth. Pride is thinking others have none. That is the difference. One builds you, the other destroys you. So, how do you protect yourself from pride? Accept correction even if hurts. Remind yourself you are not perfect. Respect people no matter their status. And remember, everything you have is from Allah. Because the more you recognize that, the easier it becomes to stay humble. This hadith teaches something very serious. Pride is not a small issue. It affects your heart, your character, anywhere your relationship with truth. So don't just focus on what you do. Pay attention to how you see yourself and how you see others. Because sometimes the biggest barrier between a person and guidance is not lack of knowledge, it is a pride. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who needs it. Assalamu alaikum.